So guys, it is springtime. Now with springtime comes spring cleaning, and you're coming back? I've decided to do a deep spring clean. Now I am going to be vlogging my whole process of doing my spring clean, and I'm just going to be touching areas that obviously with spring cleans, touching areas that you don't touch on a regular basis. I'm doing the garden, I'm definitely doing the whole kitchen, cleaning that, wiping all the cupboards. And today's going to be part one of my spring clean. So we're in the end of March right now, and then we're going to go into April obviously, and I'm going to be still doing my deep spring clean, and I thought I will like vlog every single process. So the past 2 days, today and yesterday, I did a spring clean, and today is going to be part one. I'll bring you basically part two next week. So let's get on with the spring clean. Why did I do that? What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to tackle a cupboard in the kitchen, which is it's just I think it's got a lot of papers in there, a lot of bags. I need to like transfer all of like the shopping bags into like the bag baskets that I got from Poundland, so I want to transfer them into there. Before I got the bag baskets, that's where we used to store all the shopping bags, in that drawer. So now I'm just going to use it to store all like my plate mats and like my glass and cup. What do you call these? Corsets? Well, anyways. So I finished cleaning the drawer and I moved all the bags into the bag baskets. So happy. After that, I went on to clean basically the kids' wardrobe. So I cleaned the kids' wardrobe. Now I'm gonna go and clean my makeup brushes. I started out cleaning a little bit of makeup brushes yesterday, but all the bigger like fluffy powder brushes, yeah, I need to clean them. They are actually clean because I haven't used them, but like I'm just one of those people, like even though it's clean, like if you haven't used it within a month, just like I think you still need to clean it though. I feel like you still need to clean it. So I'm just gonna give them a wash, and then I think that'll be it for the spring cleaning for today. Tomorrow is next. I'm gonna clean the garden. Again, I've got this little one on my shoulders again, sleeping. But today, I was supposed to film this after I finished cleaning the garden, but it's evening now, and yes, I finished cleaning the garden. It was hard work to the point where my back was hurting, and I had a nap. Seriously, I was that tired. Next, I'm tackling all the doors and the walls of the house during the weekend, and it's serious. I am serious about this, so see you then.